7-11 for team of Muntinlupa. Good for 2 points. 9-11. 3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. Outside jumper short. Kuha ng daing. Laglag sa batang sa banal. Good for 1 point. So. Ay, labanan po ng Cagayan de Oro laban sa team ng Muntinlupa. 9 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. 0-2. Una po nakapuntos for team of Muntinlupa dito. Cagayan de Oro from the top of the keyword jumper. No good for team of Cagayan de Oro against with jersey number 3. Samantalang number 22. We have only 5 seconds on the shot clock. Number 22. Bibigay sana sa loob pero nakuha nitong dahing number 3 para sa grupo ng Cagayan. Number 2 ilalaglag sa number 4. We have only 3 seconds on the shot clock. Stolen for team of Muntinlupa, number 18. We have only 4 seconds on the shot clock. Huli ng team ng Cagayan. 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. 0-2. Number 3 dahing. Not good pa rin. With 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time, 1-2 running score. Abante po ng 1 point for your team of Muntinlupa dito sa ating ball game. Number 22, but there's a foul. With 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for team of Cagayan, sending for number 18 Perez. Ikutan ng bola for team of Cagayan de Oro. Nice footwork, sabay laglag. Good for 1 point for team of Cagayan de Oro. All 2 points. All 2 point po tayo. Jersey number 3 for team of Cagayan. Duginyo number 1. Outside jumper, not good. 10 seconds on the shot clock for team of Muntinlupa. 7 minutes and 13. Gandang ikutan sana ng bola for team of CDO. Kuha ng team ng Muntinlupa for this basketball action. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 7 minutes to go. Sidestep in a layup. Basketball count and 1. Basketball count against number 18. Two-three running score. 2-4 running score. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Dying number 3, 2-pointer. No good for dying number 3 or numero 3 mga kaibigan para sa grupo ng CDO. 5 seconds on the shot clock for team of Muntinlupa. Sidestep. Number 2, good for 1 point for team of Cagayan de Oro. Jumper good for 1, 3-5 with 6 minutes and 15 seconds. 8 seconds on the shot clock for your team of Green Shirt Cagayan. Laban sa team ng Muntinlupa. At jumper in and out. Hindi bumasket para sa Batang Sabanal. Number 2, from the top of the key wall for team of Muntinlupa. Not good. Outside jumper short. Kuha ng daing. Laglag sa Batang Sabanal. Good for 1 point. 5-4. Outside jumper from the top of the key wall. Good for 2 points. 7-4 running score. Outside. Good for 2 points. All 6 point. Five minutes and 15 seconds. Outside jumper. No good. All 6 point. We have only time remaining. 5 minutes to go. This is about the Pinoy 3x3 Basketball Tournament 2024. All 6 point po tayo. Wala po nagpapalamang sa ating ball game. All 6 point po tayo. Number 22, Quintal, not good. But for your team of Muntinlupa, there's a foul. With 4 minutes and 30 seconds, number 2 reverse shot, good for 1 for team of Cagayan. Quintal for team of Muntinlupa, number 22. Kick out sana pero naharang itong mga player for your team. 4 minutes and 13 seconds, 8-6. Score po natin 6-8. We have a 2-point lead for your team of Cagayan laban sa team ng Muntinlupa for this basketball action. We have only 7 seconds on the shot clock for team of Cagayan de Oro. Number 1, side step. No good for jersey number 1 para sa grupo ng mga nakaberde. We have only 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Not cleared. Dahil hindi po na ilabas ng maayos para sa grupo ng team ng Muntinlupa. Number 2, Sabanal. Good for 1 point, Sabanal. 6-9.
Results. All right. All green. Results.
Three minutes and 30 seconds. Outside jumper. Two-pointer. 7-11.
11-7.
For team of Muntinlupa. Good for 2 points. 9-11. 3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. Number 22, Quintal. We have only time remaining 3 minutos, 9-12. 9-12 running score para sa ating ball game or 10 minutong nilalaro. Dumalamang pa rin po for team of Cagayan de Oro. Good for 1 point sa Banal. 9-13 Quintal, number 22. Bibigay kay Perez, number 18. No good for Perez. And call for a charging foul. Offensive foul yung tinawag ng ating officiating official with 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time, 9-13. And call for timeout for your team of Muntinlupa.
Remaining 5 minutes and 55.
You know what's behind his bike?
Back to the ball game. Muntinlupa, no timeout.
Good for 2 points for the team of Muntinlupa. 11-13, 11-13, 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. 5 seconds on the shot clock sa Banal. No good for sa Banal. One itong batang Quintal sending for Perez, number 18. Pero merong foul doon. Foul against with jersey number or foul for your team. First free throw by Perez, good for 1. Last in a final free throw by Perez for your team of Muntinlupa. No good there. 12-13 running score, 12-13 for team of Cagayan de Oro, number 1. Papasayawin, basketball count at may kauban pang foul. With 1 minute and 58 seconds, 12-14. Free throw, good for 1. 12-15. Number 22, Quintal for your team of Muntinlupa. Dire-diretso. Not good. And there's a foul. Foul for team of Green Shirt. Penalty situation na po ito for having a 9-team foul. Penalty situation with 1 minute and 46 seconds. 2 free throws. 2 free throw to yung paparating para sa grupo ng team ng Muntinlupa. First free throw, good for 1 by Quintal. Last sinapal free throw, good for 2 points. We have only 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 1, Duguino per team of Cagayan de Oro, in and out. 14-15, 1 point lamang yung abante ng team ng Cagayan de Oro laban sa team ng Muntinlupa. No good for Perez. Sundutan ng bola, number 3 dahil sending for number 2 sa Banal. Kakayo, nice pass! Gandang laglag naman doon for team of Cagayan de Oro. 14-16, 1 minute and 20. Number 22, Quintal. With 1 minute and 14 seconds, 14-16, nice cut, good for 1. 14-17, Quintal, we have only time remaining, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Quintal, outside jumper, no good for Quintal from the 21-foot lane. 1 minute to go, ng 10 minutong paglalaro. Number 18, Perez drive, Perez on the attack, laglag sa kanyang kasama for number 2, not good. 45 seconds. Last 40. Outside jumper. Boom! 2 points na lang yung kailangang ipasok with your team of Cagayan de Oro. Last 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Outside, not good. We have only last 15. Quintal, number 22, not good pa rin. We have only 8, 7, 6, 5. And that's the end ng ating ball game. And Cagayan de Oro nanalo po sa ating labanan laban sa team ng Muntinlupa.